What's going on? Welcome back, family. All right, so this is my first manual car, a C5 Z06 that is camped. Now the car doesn't really like to be in first gear unless you're giving it throttle. So in most cars you can kind of ease off the throttle and let it roll, but this car you cannot do that. And so sometimes I do really well, but sometimes I don't. So actually, there's a let's go ahead and get going. I just seen a scat pack go by, so let's see if we can catch him. So the issue that I really have is power shifting. I don't do too bad when it comes to, I don't know where he went. I don't do too bad when it comes to just regular shifting, and my takeoffs are okay. There he goes. I would just like to be better at power shifting, honestly. And it'll come with time. You know, it takes time to learn how to shift that way. You know, I've let a couple people drive this car who are really, really close friends, and they do really well with this car. But it's like when I'm running the car hard, I just can't get it from second to third easily. I don't know. I'm actually going to show you guys a shot of me running the car kind of hard, trying to get from second to third. Check this footage out. Jesus Christ. So as you guys can see, that was a little rough. I mean, it's causing me to lose races, man. I can't lose races, not because of the way you drive. That's just messed up. And the messed up part is that on the car, I have there's a sticker that says hump 3 times if you want to get gapped. But if somebody honks that knows how to drive, they're gonna beat me. I can't talk garbage if I'm gonna lose. That's what I'm getting at. Dude, that was a little rough. Almost. So what's crazy about this car is that I don't know if it's because the cam is so big, or not so big, but I don't know if it's because of the cam, but there's some times where I'm about to kill it and I'll give it gas, and it's like somehow it just like, I know if you give it gas, it'll pick it up and it won't die out, but it's like, it's almost like the cam has something to do with it, like the lope, so it falls low. See, this is on a hill and I'm fine sometimes. Yeah, so it's like the cam saves me sometimes. So it's funny, it's funny recording this video because I can see the camera just shaking from the cam in the car, and I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up. I said this before, that the GoPro, the stabilization is so good on it that so I've said this before, that the stabilization is so good on the GoPro that it may not even pick up the mild shake that this car has. Another thing that I didn't know that really matters when you're driving a manual car is your shoes. Oh my God. So you know, I've tried driving this car in like flip-flops, and it does not work out well at all. I've also tried like in my work boots trying to drive this car, and again, it just doesn't work out at all either. So I really have to have a special type of shoes on. So I have to have like, I wear like these Vans that like actually are really well, work really well. And I think it's because it like fits my foot so well. And they're not big shoes, they're not, you know, loose. And then I have the shoes that I have on now. I think they're Air Maxes. I don't care about shoes, but I'm doing okay with them right now, but the Vans are a little bit better. It's crazy that it really matters. We're gonna take it on the highway and we're gonna do some pulls. I'm gonna practice getting into third. That's my challenge. First is not bad, getting down to fourth. I mean, I know from second to third, it's almost everybody's challenge, but mine is pretty bad. You guys are gonna see me rocking and bucking. This car is blue. I should have called it the Cowboy. Until I learn how to drive it. And I know it also takes time. But that power shifting, I mean, I really can't get into that gear. I have numerous clips of me not being able to get in too. So it's not just once or twice. But the crazy part is that my buddies can get into it easily. So I know it's me. I think I just seen a cop get on the highway. Bad timing. This car is a lot of fun. Alright, so let's practice going from second to third, where I struggle. I may not be able to get down to second. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't bad. So let me know what you guys think. I tried to just So I seen a video where the guy was like, the guy said that, you know, third is straight up. So usually I go from second and I try to put it in the middle and go up. This time I just pushed it in pretty much into neutral and then pushed it up again. Oh. I just pushed it up and then that worked well. So I'm gonna try to do another pull from second and see if I'm successful again. Let me know what you think about that. Is that still shifting slow? Now, I'm not trying to be perfect. I know I'm not going to be perfect because, again, this is my first manual car. I had this car, I drove it for a week straight. The last week I haven't driven it. I'm kind of proud of myself, I'm not going to lie. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Now my other challenge is downshifting. But I'm okay. See, that was not good at all. I don't know if you guys heard that. I think I grinded the gear. I didn't go in it, so I just stayed because right away, I don't know what I did wrong on that. Tell me what I did wrong in the comments below. So I don't know how to heel toe. That's something that I'm working on. You know, people argue all the time. People argue all the time on what's easier to drive, a manual car or a motorcycle. And I would tell you hands down, a motorcycle is the easiest. Because you have a lot more control over your hands than you do your feet. And that's why I say that.